So there's three basic categories of crimes that you can be charged with, and it determines how you're going to be treated for bond. Okay? If you go in and you're charged with a misdemeanor offense or a traffic violation, misdemeanor offense could be DUI, family violence, anything, you're going to get a bond pretty quickly. Okay? And they have to set you a bond by law. Okay? This happens actually sometimes that I get calls from people that say, I'm still in here on a misdemeanor, and we have to actually make a call and get them out. Remind the magistrate that they have to release them. If they're charged with a misdemeanor, you gotta let them out. Doesn't matter how many of these they got, okay? The number one is misdemeanor. Number two is gonna be, you're charged with a felony offense. That is not on a specific list of crimes that you can only get out for a Superior Court judge. Okay, so category two is felony offense that's not on the bad list, we could say. Okay, if you're charged with a felony offense that's not on the bad list, then they have a list, the jail will have a list of amounts for each one of those crimes, and they'll let you out if you pay that amount, basically. Okay? The third category is the bad list. I'll call it the bad list. Code section 17-6-1 has a list of offenses that are only bondable by a Superior Court judge. Okay? If you're watching this video and if you have a question about bond, there's a good chance that you're charged with one of these crimes because you're still in the jail. Right? The judge doesn't have to let you out if you're charged with one of these specific offenses in 17-6-1. Okay, and we're talking about murder, treason, aggravated sodomy, pretty much any sex crime against a child, trafficking, actually sale and possession with intent is on that list as well, which isn't cool because that can grab a lot of folks that should be let out, frankly. But if you're charged with one of those offenses, you're gonna have to sit until a lawyer files a bond motion for you and a judge hears that in a Superior Court.